Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing an Apple product for infants. So this is a onesie for 18 to 24 month olds, $30 from the Apple headquarters store. And let's see, here's the back, made in China. Here's the packaging. One of the only Apple products made for infants. And it's A is for Apple onesie. White, rainbow. Let's get to it. This is dope. Dang, super cool. Good material, like the rainbow buttons over here. Got the OG rainbow Apple logo. And A is for Apple to teach the youngins their alphabets. Oh, cool. Buttons up here. Awesome. There you have it, everyone. See you next time. Bye.